create a custom calendar, we click on the New button to display the Create New Base Calendar dialog box. Then we type the name of the calendar in the name box. Let's call the project calendar Newsletter. We're going to base our calendar on the standard calendar, so leave Make Copy of Standard Calendar marked and click OK to create the new base calendar. A dialog box appears asking if we want to save the changes to the base calendar, and we'll click Yes. Also notice the name change in the For box. Now let's customize the new calendar. Our employees won't be working on Friday, January 1st, 1999 because it is New Year's Day. It's the project manager's responsibility to designate holidays on the project calendar. In order to designate a day as a holiday, we have to select the date by clicking on it and changing it from a working to a non-working day. Scroll down to January 1999 and select January 1 by clicking on it, and in the For Selected Dates section of the dialog box, we'll click Non-Working. The date has now been designated as a non-working day. If we click anywhere on the calendar but January 1st, we can see the 1st is grayed because non-working days are shaded gray. If we want to make a change that is reflected every month, we simply click on a column header. For example, if we click on the F, the Friday column is selected, not just for this particular month, but for all months. Then by clicking on Non-Working and removing the highlighting, we can see that Fridays are shaded and therefore non-working. Scroll forward a few months and you'll notice that all Fridays are shaded as non-working. We can click on the F again and change Friday back to a working day by clicking on Use Default. Then we can return to December 1998 and click OK. Now let's create a new customized base calendar. To assign the custom calendar to our project, choose the Project menu and select Project Information. Then we'll click on the drop-down arrow to the right of the word Standard in the calendar box and select the name of the calendar, which has been customized for our project. In our case, it's Newsletter. Then click OK. The calendar is set for the entire project. Click the Save button to save the newsletter calendar to the newsletter project. Being able to save a calendar to a particular project is beneficial if we're going to be working on more than one project at a time.